Another simple bones are pin bones. That's I explained it there. You can control it for your object. Very easy. For example, this is our 3-layer that I can. This is our layer. Delete any animation, going to the 0. Don't forget to creating your bone. You have to right click, group it, then convert it to the bone, and you can create a bone for this tree. You can add a point. Instead of click and dragging, you just click, 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 click in anywhere or object that you want to control it, pin. And after that, it's automatically control different part of your objects with that. For changing the pins and see what is effects, you have to go to the 1 of the timeline. And with the manipulate, you can simply click and drag it. And as you can see, you can control your vector with the pins. Such as these things you can if you want. It looks like a brush for nearby point. Then you can control. For rotating that, you can select that holding Alt, click and drag. Nice. You can rotate pin with Alt, click and drag to the up and down. Nice. It's rotating the nearby points and create effects like that. Okay, this is simple pin bones. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.